In our previous video, we have already discussed some of the basic derivative rules and its examples. So we were able to discuss about constant rule, constant multiple rule, power rule, sum rule, and difference rule. This time and for the next videos, we are going to discuss about product rule, quotient rule, and chain rule. Let's start with product rule. The problem is find the derivative of the product of 3x plus 4 times x minus 3. So what are you going to do first is to look at the given problem and the given function. Since we are given product of two functions, so we can now use the product rule, which is this one. We have to take note that the product rule states that the derivative of the product of f of x and g of x is equal to f of x, which is the first function, times the derivative of the second, g prime of x, plus g of x times the derivative of the first. So, in this example, we can let our f of x to be the first function 3x plus 4 and g of x to be the second function or expression x minus 3. Thus, using the product rule for this can also be written as, by using the formula, this is f of x times g prime of x plus g of x times f prime of x. So all we have to do is just to use and to apply this formula. So what is f of x? We assign f of x to be 3x plus 4. Okay, 3x plus 4, which is the first expression or function, times the derivative of g of x, which is g prime of x. What is the derivative of this? Which is equal to 1, because the derivative of this is 0. So 1 plus g of x. What is our g of x? X minus 3 times the derivative of f. What is the derivative of f? Is 3. So simplifying the equation, we come up with this expression. 3x times 1 is 3x, plus 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 times x is 3x, minus 3 times 3 is 9. So we have, combining like terms, we have 3x plus 3x is 6x, then 4 minus 9 is negative 5. Therefore, in this given problem, the derivative of this product of two functions is 6x minus 5. That is using this formula. Another notation, we have another notation. So for example, we use this notation. So this means that getting the derivative of the product of two functions, we still use this formula 3x plus 4, and it's very easy to use this notation also because this serves as our instruction to find the derivative of this expression, plus g of x. What is g of x? This one, x minus 3 times the derivative of f of x. What is f of x? It's 3x plus 4. So get the derivative of this. This is the notation. So we are instructed to multiply this 3x plus 4 to the derivative of x minus 3, which is 1, plus x minus 3 times the derivative of this is equal to 3. Simplifying the expression, we have 3x plus 4 plus 3x minus 9. Then this is the final answer, which is 6x minus 5. So therefore, the derivative of these two product of functions or product of two functions is 6x minus 5. Okay? Now to know if you really understand or you really understood what I'm talking about, I have here an exercise for you, and if you want to know the answer, you can also give me your answer by just putting it in the comment section. So I'm very happy if you will give your own answer for me to know if you really understood the lesson that we are tackling right now. Okay, and for the next examples, we will be talking examples in quotient rule and also chain rule. So thank you for watching and hope you learned from this video, and don't forget to share the learning that you've got from this video. Thank you once again, and God bless.